In this problem, it talks about the number of minutes after 5 p.m. and then the number of people represented by P of T. Again, the number of minutes after 5 p.m. is up top, and then we are going to compare that. We're going to compare that to what this models. All right, so first thing I go is I go into stat, I edit, and I plug in, and L sub 1 is like all the x values, or in this case t values, and in P of T is going to be all the y values. So L2 is always your y's, and L1 is always your x's. Again, in this case, x's would be t, and y would be P of T. So I plug it in. I can see based on what it provides me that it's going to be an exponential function. So I'm going to go to stats and calculate and go all the way down to exponential and press enter all the way through. Now, how can I take this and paste it into a graph? Well, I can paste it into a graph by going up to y equals. I'm going to go to vars, and then I want to go down to stats, and then I want to go to equation, and that pastes it in. Perfect. Now, let's look at the x values. I've already adjusted them. The x values need to go past what we have. So I went all the way past. Even if you went to 130 or 140, you should be fine. So we can see everything. And then I took and did the same for the y's. The y's, or the range, I want to go past this amount. Let's graph it. Okay, and here we go. We're going to go second trace value. I want to know at 7 p.m., which is 120 minutes after 5, so 120. And I want to compare them, and we can see the difference here. The difference is a little over 1.7 over. Let's look at our adjustment, 1.7.